Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, we had studied the derivation of IS curve, and in present lecture, we will talk about the derivation of LM curve. Derivation of LM curve, right? As you know, in money market, the equilibrium will be at the point where money supply is equal to money demand. Money supply is equal to money demand. Money demand is the function of income and rate of interest. If income increases, that lead to increase in money demand when price is constant. When price is constant, right? When rate of interest increases, that leads to decrease in money demand because rate of interest increase in rate of interest leads to decrease in bond price, that leads to decrease in money demand, right? We will write this like this: money demand is equal to EY minus FR, right? Here E shows the responsiveness between income and money demand, and F shows the responsiveness between rate of interest and money demand, right? Change in money demand due to change in rate of interest is equal to F, and change in money demand divided by change in income is E. Okay. There is negative relationship between rate of interest and money demand. Okay, we can show this with the help of diagram. Right, this is money demand and this is rate of interest. There is negative relationship between rate of interest and money demand that has been shown by negative sign. Okay, so we draw a negative curve. This is money demand 0. At this point, the level of rate of interest is R0, right? If rate of interest decreases from R0 to R1, that leads to increase in demand for money, right? Okay. Now we derive LM curve with the help of diagram here. Right. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. We will show income on x-axis and rate of interest on y-axis, and here on the x-axis money supply and money demand, and here on the y-axis is rate of interest, right? This is MS curve, right? And this is demand for money. At this point, the level of rate of interest R0. This is M upon P, money supply and price, right? At this point, the level of income is Y0, right? Okay, this is money demand, and at this point rate of interest is R0 and level of income is Y0, right? Suppose income level increases from R0 to income level increases from Y0 to Y1, right? We have already seen increase is income leads to increase in money demand when price are constant, right? And increase in income leads to increase in rate of interest when money supply and prices both are constant. When money supply and prices are constant, right? Then we have assumed that money supply and prices both are constant at this point. Okay, what will happen? Increase in income leads to increase in rate of interest. So rate of interest increases from R0 to R1 due to increase in income, and prices and money supply both are constant at this point, right? Show this. And now assume only prices are constant, right? Money supply is not constant at this point. Then what will happen? Increase in income leads to increase in demand for money when prices is constant but money supply is not constant at this point, and this will lead to increase in demand for money. Demand curve will shift outward. At this point money demand increases and R1, at this point rate of interest is R1 and income level is Y1, right? Draw this line. Income level is Y1, right? This is the point and this is the point, right? Join these 2 points and this is LM curve, right? We have obtained the LM curve point. This point is point A, right? Now at point A, equilibrium at the point A, MS is equal to money supply is equal to money demand. Put the value of money supply and money demand here. Money supply is M upon P is equal to equation of money demand is EY minus FR. Solve this mathematically, right? R minus M upon P plus EY, and we have to see the relationship between income and rate of interest, right? m upon pf plus ey upon f, right? This e upon f is slope, right? And this is intercept, right? And that's it. Thank you. See you tomorrow with next lecture.